day to my future employer. My name is Madel A. Galleros. I live in Mabitac, Laguna. I have 4 children, age 18, 15, 13, and the youngest is 7. My father's name is Jovino R. Galleros. He is 63 years old and he's a farmer. My mother's name is Marisa A. Galleros. She is 53 years old and she is a housewife. I have 4 sisters and 1 brother. My work experience is a domestic helper in UAE, Abu Dhabi. My duties there is to taking care of 2 kids, cooking, washing, cleaning the house. I also work in Malaysia. My duties there is to taking care of 2 teens, washing the clothes, cooking, gardening, and also taking care of pets. I hope you like me because I'm a trustworthy, patient, honest, and hardworking person. Thank you.